Hey everyone, welcome back to Online Small Engine Mechanics. I'm the mechanic Cole, and today we have this Snapper rear engine rider. It's a 28-inch and it's a 10 horsepower, Briggs & Stratton. And this model has electric start and pull start. And currently the electric start's not working, so I believe it's a solenoid, and that's what I'm going to be showing you how to replace today. So stay tuned. Alright, so I'm going to show you what happens when I try to start it with the electric start. On this model, you can have the parking brake in to start it. You don't have to be on the seat. And I have the parking brake in right now. So, and the key's right here. So, if you just turn it, it should crank, and this one's not. And I put a brand new battery in it, so the battery is not the problem, if that's what some of you were thinking. So, the solenoid is right over here, right by your gear lever. It's right in there. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to change that. I have the part, and we're gonna install that now. All right. So first, what you're going to want to do is remove your battery. It's a 7/16 wrench or socket. That way you don't shock yourself when you're removing your solenoid. And your solenoid is a 3-pole solenoid, and the negative and positive terminals are both 7/16. And then you also have the third post right there, and I could not get a wrench or a socket in there, so I really don't know what size it is. Also, when you remove this, make sure you remember what wires go on each side, otherwise your solenoid may not work correctly. So I'm gonna get these removed, and then I'll get the new solenoid and we'll put it on. All right, now you need to remove your solenoid mounting bolts, which are right there and right there. And these are a 3/8 socket. So I'm just gonna take those off quickly. All right, so here is our old solenoid and here is our new solenoid. And if you notice, they actually improved the new solenoid by not including this nut right here and bolt. They just have the clip where the wire clips onto. That's actually, because I had a hard time getting the solenoid off with that clip, with that bolt. So this is much better. I like this solenoid, and we're going to install this now. All right, so we got the new solenoid on, and as I was talking about with this new solenoid, is it's got you just put that little wire right on that clip and it stays. So that's really, really nice. Yeah, we got all the bolts connected, mounting bolts are on. And like I said, make sure you got all your wires on it. For this one, the skinny black wire, the positive terminal for the battery, and this red wire right here goes on the right terminal, and this thick black wire, which goes to the starter, is on the left terminal. And then this wire right here also has a fuse in it. And if your Snapper rear engine rider is not working for electric start, I would check this first. Mine's good, so I figured it's probably just a solenoid. But if you do take your solenoid off and this comes out, make sure to put it back in the boot where it came out of. And that's how you install a solenoid. So now we're going to put the battery back in, and we're going to see if what I did worked. Replace your solenoid on your Snapper rear engine rider. Just a couple of things to remember: make sure to take your battery out and disconnect everything, and also make sure you know where your wires went on your solenoid, and you should have success putting a different solenoid on your tractor. Hope this helped, and thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing, comment, and like. Thanks for watching. Bye now.